Hello, my name is Nicola Stanciu. I'm an independent iOS developer and the founder and CEO of NFC.cool. NFC.cool is an application on the iOS App Store and the Android Play Store for all the things you want to do and interact with NFC tags, IoT devices around you. We specialize in NFC technology. We are making a sophisticated app that makes it easy to interact with NFC tags, specializing on consumer technology and consumers in general. We are about to hit the 7 million download mark on the iOS App Store. NFC.cool is not only NFC technology, it is basically a way to interact with all the sensors of your phone and your surroundings, making all cool things in your phone available to customers, from camera, LiDAR sensor, NFC, scanning QR codes, barcodes, documents, 3D models, as well as rooms. As I said, I'm an independent iOS developer and I really like making applications, so that's where my passion comes from. When NFC became available on iOS in 2017, I was like, oh, that's a cool and interesting technology. I want to make an application for that. I started making an application. Basically, it was an NFC reader. I grew it and grew it and grew it. It was a side and hobby project of myself with the goal of maybe becoming an independent developer in the future, which turned out well. 7 million downloads is something. Yeah, making the technology available for everyone, making it easy to understand. Stay tuned for more amazing content at NFC.cool.